You guys are not going to want to miss these massive Shiba Inu news updates. What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. We're talking about Shiba Inu in today's video, but before we do that, I want to see what your guys' opinions are. Please go vote in this poll on our Twitter. It's at It's Finance Bro. As you can see, that's our @. You guys can go follow us on Twitter and go vote on this poll. Which coin will 100x this year? We have Shib, we have Doge, we have Shytoshi, and we even have Baby Doge. Go vote. Shib is currently in the winning right now. This is only going to be live for about 23 hours more. So if you guys want to go vote, go let your opinions be heard. Again, go vote in this poll, retweet it so you guys can get your other friends to vote on it, and go do that either way. We have a lot of news to discuss today, guys. A lot of very interesting stuff as far as Elon Musk is concerned. I know you guys are going to want to see that. First, let's start with this though. Shiba Inu price prediction. This indicator remains Shib's long-term support. Let's read a little bit more about what this entails. Shib's relentless downtrend has continued for 76 days now, with the last rally observed in October of 2021. Since then, upward momentum has not matured beyond quick pumps and dumps. Fortunately for Shib, the daily 200 SMA, which is the green line, should be the answer to many of its problems. A new lower high followed by a pullback would activate the long-term moving average and generate fresh buy orders in the market. At the time of writing, Shib traded at the 402882 level, which is up about 7% over the last 24 hours. Now, full disclosure, this is a long-term article that they're talking about here, but since this has happened, we've actually seen a pretty nice recovery in price. We've seen a nice little push back towards the upside here. We saw a little bit of a pullback here on the weird kind of FUD news that came out with CoinMarketCap, of course. Thanks, CoinMarketCap. You guys are lovely. And now we've recovered a little bit here, and now we're starting to form a really nice little bull flag here that I'm going to roughly draw out like a third grader. As you can see, the little nice thing there. I would hope that we could break beyond those lines. Again, this is very roughly drawn. Please keep that in mind. There's nothing really final about it. Let's read a little bit more. There was hardly any bullish takeaways on Shiba Inu's daily chart, save for a 200 SMA green, which ran as support. Brief run-ups have not extended beyond over important resistance gaps, and a significant border market has not helped either. Now, lower highs continue to be a feature of Shib, and its current run-up would most likely be halted between the 402936 level and the 3291 level. What they're saying there basically is that if you look at what we're looking at here, I can't make it bigger, but this is the basically the technical analysis that they're kind of referring to in that earlier part. This is what we're expected as far as the upside potential is. This is kind of the lower half towards that lower resistance level. So keep that in mind, guys. But again, overall, weekly and even daily, monthly, all that stuff, conclusion, a lot of Shiba Inu's daily 200 SMA green. In fact, it was responsible for overcoming a downtrend that has persisted since October 2021. However, Shib must prove itself again. It needs to get above the 3538 level in the coming weeks to bring back confidence among its investors. It's starting to do that a little bit more. We're still pushing towards those levels, and I think we are going to see that sooner rather than later. Hopefully, we'll see it before the end of today. Make sure you guys join our private Discord if you guys want to get access to our buy and sell alerts and see what we are buying as far as the next latest and greatest big crypto projects. We're buying the next 10x, 100x, and even 1000x in that server. So you guys want to get in there and get access to our buy and sell alerts so you can see what we're buying, so you guys don't miss out on all the gains that could be had in the crypto markets. Make sure to join. Second link down in the description below. Super affordable, by the way. Everybody other Discords are like 30, 50, 60 bucks, even $100 a month. I've seen some of these freaking Discord groups be. You guys want to get in at $10. It's a great deal, and we give even more value, in my opinion, than most of those other groups. So get in while you can. Kindly request Tesla to accept Shiba Inu Coin as payment. This is a very interesting survey, or not survey, a petition rather. We're at 57,000 signatures so far being signed out of at least 75,000. That is absolutely mind-blowing, guys. That's absolutely crazy. Really cool stuff to see, and the fact that we are already there is just, it's crazy. Like, and listen, don't get me wrong, I want to make this very clear. Do I think this is going to happen? I don't know, guys. Let's be real here. Elon Musk, right? If we go to Elon Musk's Twitter, for instance, this was the latest thing he said about cryptocurrency. Tesla merch is buyable with Dogecoin, right? And what's happening here is, again, we know that Elon Musk is obsessed with Dogecoin. We know that that's his coin, right? But what we've seen Shiba Inu do, as far as compared to Dogecoin, I would say Shiba Inu is the better coin. It's more fleshed out. It has an ecosystem. It has a development team. It has continuing updates and information that's continuing to pour into the coin as far as work goes. And I really do think that this is the coin of the future as far as community coins are concerned. That being said, I see no reason why Elon Musk, spends so much time doubting this coin without doubting Shiba Inu. It just does not make sense to me that he would continue to push, in my opinion, a trash coin. I really think Dogecoin is trash. I really think there is no point in the coin. It has no use case. It has no NFTs. It has no ecosystem. It has no blockchain. It has nothing, right? Shiba Inu has all these different things going for it. And I think if overall, it's just a better coin. That's my personal opinion, by the way. You guys don't have to agree. You can let me know in the comments below if you disagree with me. I'd love to hear your takes either way. But I do think that Shiba Inu should be, if anything, more promoted by Elon Musk. And I think that Elon Musk will promote Shiba Inu. I know that's a crazy opinion. That's a crazy take. But I do think that he will promote Shiba Inu sooner rather than later. Because, again, Dogecoin is only going to go so far. And even though it's a funny little meme and everything, I would not be surprised if all of a sudden Elon Musk comes out and says, hey, by the way, I also bought Shiba Inu or something, or just something crazy like that, guys. I have no doubt. Listen, he has been known to surprise people. You know, you never know what Elon Musk is going to do next as far as what he's going to say, as far as everything in between. So keep that in mind, guys. Again, I think that we could see something like this happen in the future, especially with this petition now kind of making the rounds. I think we could see something potentially kind of push the conversation forward for Elon Musk to respond to. Shytoshi tweets out this at Robinhood. Hey, at Robinhood Comms, I heard you guys were building a crypto wallet. Seems like a good reason to put money into crypto. But it's not like I'm a CFO or anything. I'm just saying. This is in direct response to Robinhood's CFO making a very weird and strange statement saying that he basically doesn't want to put any or very little, if any, money into crypto. Seems kind of weird, right? For somebody who's in the financial world who understands the massive upside potential of getting exposure to crypto. He basically said that. He said, yeah, I don't really see myself putting a lot of money into crypto, which is a really interesting take, in my opinion, a bad take, in my opinion, but again, interesting nonetheless. And he basically says, oh, you guys are building a crypto wallet. Seems like a good reason to put some money into crypto now. But, Shytoshi just kind of playfully tweeting at them, of course, and Weekbo tweeted this, which is why you guys should follow us on Twitter if you haven't already, so you guys get access to the latest and up-to-date information on Shiba Inu. Zach Humphreys burned over 9.5 million Shiba Inu, which is about $300 worth. Pretty good amount and pretty impressive to see that he is burning that much. Of course, another great pillar of the community. We love you, Zach Humphreys. Shout out Zach Humphreys. Next, CoinMarketCap having all these issues. Please note the non-ETH addresses. Yeah. We all know the issues and the fun and going on with everything with that. You guys are familiar with it all. Again, guys, I think Shiba Inu is going to start doing a lot better here into the later parts of this year. I do think that we need to see a little bit more consolidation at these levels. We're starting to see it. It looks good, right? The overall momentum looks really good right here. But again, I'm still waiting for further consolidation and further confirmation before we can see another major breakout. What I want to do, guys, is what I think we're going to do is likely start to stall. We're going to start to stabilize and consolidate at these levels, and we're going to start trading in a sideways manner for a given period of time. This could be a month. This could be a couple of months. Keep that in mind. If you go back here, right, original rally that we had in Shiba Inu when it was first listed, or not first listed, when it first became popular, kind of back in May of 2021, we saw a huge rally towards the upside and a subsequent crash towards the downside. And then, of course, this was what we experienced after that. Started trading sideways, didn't really do much here either way. Now, as you can see, there were still a few pumps here and there, still, along kind of the routes as you go through the months and everything. But what was really substantial was the huge breakout that we experienced in October. It took us about 3 to 4 months to get there, guys, after just a ton of consolidation until the next major news breakout. So I think we're going to experience something similar here. We're still seeing a lot of price volatility, as you can see in the overall price, but we are starting to show a little bit of signs of stabilization here. Now, keep that in mind that even if we do break lower, I'm still going to buy the dips. I'm still going to do all that. And if you guys want to know when I buy those dips and get an alert on your phone with a notification in our Discord, you guys got to join our private Discord, join our community with the second link down in the description below so you get access to our buy and sell alerts like I said before. But guys, still buying the dips, still holding strong, not planning on selling anytime soon. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new piece of news that we post every single day about Shiba Inu and a bunch of other cryptocurrency projects as well. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.